The TFSA limit for 2021 is $6,000, and the total amount since the inception of the TFSA program is $75,500. Stay tuned, because in this video I'm going to give you a few pointers on TFSA accounts. Hi, my name is Julien, Regoli, CPA CMA Finance Coach. My channel is all about teaching people on how to invest money, how to save money, and how to think about money. If this is the kind of topic you're interested in, then sign up to my channel, hit that bell button, and you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay, well, the first question is, where do you find your TFSA limit? I have a TFSA limit table that I prepared. You can find the link to that table in the description of the video. This table has two sections. One is to show you the limit by year, and the other is to tell you what your limit is based on your age. You can also find your contribution room by calling the federal government. You can also Google My Account for individuals, and you go to canada.ca link and you log into your account. There's also an app called My CRA. If you have that app, log in and you can find your TFSA limit there. Make sure to account for any deposits that you made in your TFSA since that statement. You maybe made some deposits since that date. Make sure to account for those. Otherwise, you'll end up over contributing. You don't want to do that because over contributions in the TFSA are expensive. It's 1% per month. So make sure you know your limit and don't exceed it. Okay, are TFSAs risky? TFSAs are not risky. TFSA is just an account. It's sheltered from taxes. So whatever investment income you make in the TFSA account is sheltered from taxes. So once your money is in the TFSA, you can buy anything you want. You can buy stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs. You can even trade options. I get the question about, should I contribute to my TFSA or should I contribute to my RRSP? I get that question a lot. I have a video on that, so check that out. But basically, in essence, in a nutshell, what I recommend is when you're in the early stages of your life, so you're earning a lower salary, that's the moment when you're building up your TFSA. And once you're in that high salary bracket, you're paying a lot of taxes, the maximum amount you're going to pay in your lifetime, that's when you should be contributing to your RSP, because you get the most benefit of depositing in your RRSP. Obviously, the ideal is to max out all of your registered accounts. So if you have a TFSA and you have an RSP and you have an RESP, you have kids, you have RESPs, ideally you want to max out on all those things and put the maximum amount. Strategies to take out from your TFSA and deposit in your RRSP if you're missing some money and you're in that high tax bracket. So you trigger tax, maybe a refund, and with that refund you can deposit it back into your TFSA. So if you take out of your TFSA, you can only deposit back in your TFSA as of the following calendar year. So make sure you follow that and respect those rules. I have a video on that, so take a look. I have a video on TFSAs. Take a look at that too. What kind of investments in TFSAs? What I recommend is the more aggressive investments in your TFSA and the less aggressive, more conservative investments in your RRSP. If you have foreign stocks, so stocks that are generating dividend but they are not Canadian, so they're called foreign, they're from another country, so for the US, for example. So the dividends that you earn from those stocks usually are subject to a withholding tax, 15% withholding tax on the dividend, unless it's in your RRSPs. If you have any questions or comments, drop me a note. I hope this video was useful. If you liked it, hit the like button. I appreciate it. If you think this video could be useful to a friend, a family member, an acquaintance, please share. Subscribe to my channel because I have more videos upcoming, and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thanks for watching today, folks. Have a great day.